Arrive in style with this Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 180 AMP alternator, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display included, 5.0 touchscreen display overhead console rear view day night mirror GPS antenna input temperature and compass gauge integrated voice command with Bluetooth charge only remote USB port Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643-21121 Your Sirius XM radio service. Gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, anti-spin differential rear axle, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, 3.42 axle ratio, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake.